Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. The most requested video is how to do exchange on Poppo, and finally I am here to deliver. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do exchange on Poppo, okay? So an exchange can be done on Poppo with sitting on crown seat or any party seat or without sitting. So right now I am not sitting on any seat as you can see, okay? First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. You can see that exactly what I'm typing in the comment section is to tell the guy that I need 5k exchange, okay? And this is the agency that I belong to. Aside this agency, I can also do it anywhere else, but it is best for you to do it with people that you know, okay? So after typing it in the comment section, he said, okay, no problem, that I should go ahead and send it. And a lot of people as well in the and that are sitting on the box also said, oh, you can go ahead and send it. And mind you, how I got these coins is from treasure box, okay? So I made sure I grab my treasure box to get these 5,000 coins. So if you don't want to do any mistake of sending it to another person else because they're not sitting on any seat, do well to click on the person's head. Like now I clicked on King Richie's bench seat because I'm sending it to him. Then I'm going to click on send gift. You can see that I did this twice. And if you want to do exchange, you're going to send gift directly the amount that you want to do. So I want to do 5,000. This is me scrolling to get 5k coins gift so that I can send it to him. Okay. And once I am done sending him, as the person that I receive will also send for me, but it is very important for you to check very well the person you're sending to. That is why you see that I am going back and forth to like check very well before I go ahead and send, so that you don't send to the wrong place. A lot of people send or exchange coins to the wrong place, and at the end of the day, some people will just exit the panel without you even knowing. So right now I have sent the gifts as you can see, and I am waiting for King Richie to send it back to me. The good part of exchange is King Richie, I must not sit on the crown seat or party seat for King Richie to be able to send this to me. He can just click on my name or from my profile that is seen up there and then send it to me, and that's exactly what he is going to do. So the question that you can see it that King Richie sent this to vibe with Sonia, to Miss Sonia. You can see it down here. The most important thing why I said you should always collect your treasure box is you can use this to do exchange, you can use it to gamble, you can use this to do a lot of things. You can use this particular coins to also pursue fireworks. Once you get there, you throw one or two coins, and at the end of the day, you're making more money on your panel. I mean, you're making more money for yourself for you to withdraw. This particular coins that I exchange now is going directly to where I'm going to withdraw. So if you have not been doing exchange on Poppo, or you have not been receiving your coins that you will use and do exchange on Poppo, you are wrong. So what are the two ways that you can actually get free coins from Poppo? One, treasure box, and of which this box you guys are seeing up here, that is very, very small. It has a countdown. Once it counts down from beginning to the end, it is just going to shake off, and then you are going to go ahead to click on the box and then receive the coins. The highest coins I've gotten from treasure box is 40 coins, while the lowest coins I've gotten from treasure box is 5 coins. Okay, but in all of these I try as much as possible to get all my coins collected from the treasure box every day. Another second way of getting fire coins is that fireworks that I talked about. So if you're pursuing fireworks as well, it will enable you to what, accumulate coins. Okay, then you can now go ahead and exchange. And once you exchange, your live stream level will be higher. You can see this one that I just collected. I collected 40 coins as well. Once you exchange, your live stream will be higher. Your wealth live stream as well will be higher. Like it gives you another level to earn more on this Poppo live. If you have not joined Poppo at this point of you hearing this from me, please do well towards click on the link in the description to join Poppo. Let me know you join Poppo. Let me link you to this agency that can actually do so well for you. A lot of people here yesterday when I came, they were like saying, "Oh, Miss Sonia, thank you, this, that, this." That was why I have to mute all of this sound so that I can do a voiceover for you guys from beginning to the end. Okay, so if I put you on King Richie's agency, King Richie is going to be teaching you a lot of things. Even when I was there yesterday, they were still thanking me because King Richie was still teaching them yesterday. So it is very, very important. If you join the wrong agency on Poppo, trust me, you are not going to be happy about it because they are going to make sure they frustrate you. Okay, so for those one asking how to exchange, this is exactly how you can exchange your coins on Poppo, and the coins you exchange is automatically going to sit in the withdrawal button where you are going to be withdrawing your money down to your account. I hope somebody is getting it clear. Anyways, if you'll be joining Poppo, let me know in the comment section. If you have joined Poppo through my link, also let me know in the comment section so that we can work you hand in hand. It is very good, like I've always said, that at least make something for yourself. You can withdraw $100, you can withdraw $200, you can withdraw 75 $50, depending on what you are doing. There are people on Poppo that withdraw not even less than $2,000 every month. So Poppo is actually a live stream app that is doing well. Okay. So thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. And with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.